I'm a pastor and I'm in front of people quite a bit. I've just always cared about how I looked and wanted to present myself well. If anybody thinks, well, this is the way God made me, so should I just accept it? My thinking on that would be, if I lost some teeth, I would certainly go to the dentist and get those put back in and try to have a nice smile. And so I've lost some hair and I'm just going to go try to get that replaced and just have a nice head of hair and feel good about it. My wife's been very supportive and she has told me, I'm going to love you no matter how you look. And I appreciate that, but I want to give her the best looking person that I can. I did have a procedure several years ago. It was actually a bit expensive. That was one of my drawbacks is, am I going to be able to do another and am I going to be able to afford it? I heard an ad on the radio and I thought, well, I'll at least check it out and see what the cost is. And the cost of this procedure is significantly less. I found it to be affordable. It fits with what I can handle, and so I'm going for it. A little over a year ago, I just saw the progression that my hair was headed, and I was just wanting to have the best look that I could. And so I went to see Michael Ramsey, and we talked about what we could do, and I really am pleased with the results that he got for me. When I'm preaching, I do have a choir. It could have 25 people behind me with a real good view of the back of my head, and that can go through my mind, and now I'm much happier with what they get to see. It was a year ago that I had the procedure. I remember coming in that morning and everyone was very pleasant, very nice to work with. They took good care of me. I didn't feel any pain, any discomfort all throughout the procedure. One of the things I was really pleased with was how gradual the hair grew back. It was really great how that happened. Just about a month ago, my wife and I got with some friends we hadn't seen since high school. And in the course of our conversation, one of them said, I don't believe Ron has lost any hair since high school. And when I heard that, I thought, oh yes, this was great. The reason I chose multi-unit hair grafting is because there was a large area that needed a lot of coverage, and this was the best option for me, and it worked really well. My advice to somebody that's considering having something done is don't wait, just go ahead and check it out. I would absolutely 100% recommend PAI.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 800-496-7225 or visit WeGrowHair.com.